everyone, let's continue. Today in this video, we will understand how we can combine, or we can say we can append two different data in a one single file. So we will start. Let's get start. Get data, and you can see my file is .csv file or text.csv file. This kind of file I have, but in this particular folder I have two files. You can combine n number of files in a single file. But here is for this example purpose, I'm just showing you only two files merging. You will click here, get data, and get data. You have to click more, and in this more, you could find a option folder. You will click on folder. A moment you will click folder. So wherever these files are put it, you can just take it, this address. I'm just opening up this. You can just copy this link and paste this link here. And paste this link here. I'm just pasting and okay. When you will press OK, you can see these are my two files. One is Bihar state file, another one is Delhi state file. And we will press here combined and load. A moment I said combine and load because very small data. Now you can see this is the data is already uploaded, and I will press OK. And moment I said OK, now you can see this data is this .csv file. Both these files are merging. And now we can see here data. And in this data column, there is 4 to 5 columns. I will just show you these files in my folder also. And now you can check. These are the Bihar state sale and this is the Delhi state sale. Both these files are merged. But otherwise, what would happen? You can see, I just showing you Bihar file. I mean, where is the Bihar state data? This one is the order ID. Second column is order date. Third column is customer name. And fourth column is state and then city. So that is why I have all these columns. Let me show you all these columns have been merged. First of all, you have to clean this data also. You can see here, order date 15/11/2018, but there is no dates these kind of dates. So I will show you how you can clean the data, how you can, in a single manner, all the data should be in the same format. So I will just show you another file, Delhi. And now in this Delhi file, you can see order ID, order date. This one is the customer name and state and city. So both these files, otherwise, what other options? I will open one file, then copy and paste. I can do it. I mean, suppose I need Delhi and Bihar one file. So what we have to do, I can copy Bihar data and I can paste here below this. So in the same manner, I can copy and paste so many files, so many states data. Let's say I have 28 states data or 29 states data. So I will do that. So this is a very shortcut, and through which you can combine n number of CSV files in a one single file. Then you can prepare a dashboard, and after that you can show whether the Patna is leading in the sales, or Delhi is leading in sales, or another state is leading in sales. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. Keep watching. Stay tuned.